Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Let's enjoy cooking. Welcome to Smart Cooking with Azlafa and Ayaz. Today we will be making curd at home. For that, you need to rinse a large pot and pour milk into it. Bring milk to boil on a medium flame. If you do not like cream layers on the curd, then keep stirring to reduce the formation of layers of cream. We do not mind the cream, so I avoid this step. In fact, we love a layer of cream. Let the milk reduce to 3/4 so that there are no traces of water. When the milk comes to boil, then I reduce the flame to a very low and allow to simmer to 10 to 15 minutes. This enhances the flavor and also makes the curd thick. Remove the vessel from the stove and allow to cool down to lukewarm temperature. Transfer the milk to a bowl or in a clay pot. Towards the end of the process, the milk should still be warm. You can see the vapors coming out of the milk. Let the milk become warm. Just drop few drops on hand to check whether the milk is lukewarm. Add curd when the temperature of milk is slightly higher than warm but not hot. Decide the amount of curd to use depending on the quantity of milk and weather conditions. You should avoid disturbing or moving the bowl before the curd is set. Wrap it in a cloth to keep it warm. Now your curd is set. Approximately it will take 8 to 12 hours depending on the surrounding temperature. This method will surely give thick and more tasty homemade curd. As soon as the curd is set, refrigerate it, else it will become sour. After refrigeration, curd becomes slightly more thick.